Hey guys, assalamu alaikum. It's Jenna G. Welcome back to my channel, and of course welcome back to my kitchen. We are baking this week. We are going to be making some delicious Trini style pies, my versions of course. We're starting off this week's video lineup with a delicious green fig pie. Pies is something that many of us Caribbean or Trini people enjoy. We have corn pie, we got macaroni pie, lots of different pies that we make. Not my favorite, I'm going to be honest, I'm more of a rice person, but from time to time they do go down real good, especially like on for a Sunday meal. You know, it's good to have that with your callaloo and all of that. So we're starting off with this green fig pie, a pretty straightforward recipe to follow along with, pretty simple. So let's jump into it. These are the ingredients that we need for our green fig pie. So I've got my green figs here, of course. I'm going to be using some cheese. You can use as much as you like. An egg, you can eliminate it. I know many of you guys don't put egg in your pies. I prefer to just put it in. Onion, garlic, pimentos. Going to be using some margarine, some green seasoning, and spice. We can't eat without spice now at home, so everything has to have spice for us. So I'm adding some of this, but of course you can eliminate it. And I'm going to be using some all-purpose seasoning which has salt in it. So the first thing we want to start off by doing is putting our green figs to boil. You can peel it or you can just leave it with the skin on. It's all up to you. So I'm just going to rinse them out and then put them all to boil. So once we have all in there, we're just going to basically boil it until the green figs are nice and tender. So basically while the green figs are boiling, we're just going to prepare the other ingredients, the pimento and the onion and the garlic. Of course you can chop these up if you want. Food chopper comes in pretty handy too. So we're going to chop this up. So this is what it looks like. I am chopping it up. I want to chop it up extra fine because I don't want to be biting on chunks of any of these when I'm biting into my green fig pie. So I'm just going to grate some cheese. And you can add as much cheese as you like. And then when the figs are finished boiling, it's just a matter of putting it together and putting it to bake. So once the green figs are finished boiling, you're just going to peel them out, all of them, and add them to a bowl. Might be a good idea to let them cool a bit first though. So now that we have all the green figs all peeled up here, let's put everything together. But I forgot to mention one very important ingredient, and that would be milk. We need evaporated milk for this. So the recipe will be up on my website. You guys could get all the full list of ingredients there. So I'm going to start off the next step by just cracking my egg. I'm going to mix everything up. So I'm going to make the crack the egg, add the milk, add the butter or the margarine. In goes the all-purpose seasoning and the cayenne pepper, cheese. Mix this all up, set it aside, and let's mash our green figs. So I'm using a potato masher. So of course, if you want chunks in it, you mash it according to how you want to eat it. You want to bite in some chunks, you want it all smooth, make sure there's no chunks in it. Up to you guys. And now to this, I'm going to add the milk, the cheese mixture. My green seasoning is going to go in. And of course, don't forget the chopped up onions, the garlic, and the pimento as well. So So mix this all up. Once you have everything in there, we're going to add this to a greased baking dish, and then we're going to bake it. So you're just going to smoothen down the surface, so the top part here, and top it with some more cheese, and then we're just going to pop this into the oven. And of course, just remember, you can add as much cheese as you like on top, right? So in the entire recipe, actually, you can add as much cheese as you like. And there we have it, guys, our green fig pie all finished. So of course, like with most pies, or many pies, if not all pies, you ideally should let it cool before you cut into it. It really couldn't get simpler than that, right? So just to recap, you're just boiling your green figs, whether you choose to do it with the skin on or the skin off. Boil them until they're tender, peel them, then smash them up. Add in your egg, your milk, your butter. You add in your green seasoning or any seasoning that you want. Your onion, your hot pepper, your pimento, your garlic. You're adding in your salt factor, which will be our all-purpose seasoning. And for the extra spice, we want some cayenne pepper. Hope I didn't forget anything, but if I did forget anything, you guys could check my website. The recipes for all of my videos are listed on that website, so you guys could follow along just in case I might have missed anything in the video. Everything is written out there, of course, so the link will be down below in the description box. So be sure to click that arrow that shows you down in the description box below each video for any additional information or links and recipes for the particular videos. So I hope you guys enjoyed this green fig pie video and recipe. For those of you who've been asking for it, hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions, comment down below, let me know. And of course, comment down below and let me know how differently you make your green fig pie. If you've never tried green fig pie, well, here's your chance. Easy, simple, delicious recipe for you guys to follow along with. So for those of you who are new to the channel, of course, welcome to my channel. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more videos and the bell notification button as well. So thanks a million for watching, guys. Stay tuned to more pies video for this video lineup. See you guys in my next video.